Welcome to the CoCloud tutorial series. In this episode, you'll learn how to view and download the outputs on the platform, including Digital Orthophoto Map (DOM), Digital Surface Models (DSM), and Digital Elevation Models (DEM). DOM, generated from imagery or LiDAR data, or uploaded from existing results. DSM, generated from imagery. DEM, generated from airborne LiDAR data. Let's take DOM as an example. Open a dataset. Enable DOM in Browse mode. And switch to 2D mode to display it. If your dataset uses an absolute coordinate system, DOM will align automatically with the base map and nodes in the right-hand property panel as needed. To download, switch to Details mode. Find the corresponding output card and click Download. DOM and DSM are available in TIFF format. DSM follows the same viewing and downloading steps as DOM. DEM cannot be previewed online? Go to Details mode, locate the DEM card, and download the TIFF file directly.